So guys, good day. This is Travel with Jason. So andito kami ngayon sa Nungwi. So late kanina yung sundo ko kasi nangantay ko ng 2 oras. Pero at least andito na kami. So dito kami ngayon sa Nungwi Lagoon, Zanzibar para mag-swim with the turtles. Ayan o, ganda. Dito. Kanto ko magkanong bayad kasi kasama naman tong bayad ko dito. So, babayaran naman ako ng tour guide ko kasi kasama sa package. And then, wala pala yung tour guide ko ngayon. So, meron siyang pinadalang driver. So, pupunta kami ngayon. Yeah. Jumbo.
Jumbo, Hakuna Matata, welcome Zanzibar.
Yeah.
Pole
Thank
pole.
you. Yes. So you will stay here?
Yeah, go with me.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, see you.
Mari po. Mari po.
So we're going inside the turtle sanctuary. Okay. This is the sanctuary. Oh, this is the sanctuary. This one. Wow.
Ilo mari wapi? I'm coming.
Yeah, sure. Wow, the turtles are there. Hala, ang ganda. Napakain nila ang turtles. Ayan, oh. Ang saya, ang dami nila. Hala.
Oh, we have a totally together.
Ang ganda.
Yeah, we also have another one.
Ang saya. Ang ganda. Diba? So, diba, ang saya, ang daming turtle. So, sana hindi sila mga gat. Tapos, mag-change lang ako ng camera ko. So, ayan. So, later. Thank you. Oh my God. This is really big turtle.
Oh, blimey, look at you.
Wow. Yeah, they're eating. Wait. Slowly. Yeah.
Baby, you big boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, this is really big. Where can you take photo from here?
Size this one, G.
Yeah.
So you can turn around. Can you turn that side?
Wait.
55.
Yeah.
Hi. You're nearly as old as me.
Yeah. This is your part. Okay? Do not fight. Yeah.
Oh my God, they're strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now feed them in front of
It's just a bit short.
Yeah, you can.
It's really big.
It's
Take a
really
photo.
big.
It's really big.
No, tu, cinese.
Wait. They're all here. Are you taking a video? Take a video as well? Yeah.
No, questo, vedi, questo è grande.
Grande. Big
Grande.
grande.
Big, grande.
This one?
Bravo, così faccio pure io.
You know, go in with the grande.
Here. Really big. This one is the biggest. Wow.
Right, okay.
getting swamped, so I'm just gonna...
Don't fight, you have a lot of food. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like they...
Magari va a pensare fa tutte le cose.
Oh my god. So nice. One more?
Feed them so they
Okay, you can leave now. Thank you.
Hello. You're waiting.
I don't know how I'm going to get past you. You need to move.
There's a lot of them. Come on. Oh. Oh. That tickles me.
Oh, I don't want to stand on anything. Right. Oh, right. You're going to need to move anyway. Yes, you are.
You can eat, but just don't bite, please.
Absolutely.
But at least this is not like the snapper. The snapper is it will break your.
Wow.
Ah, this is so big.
Oh, they're really soft, actually.
Yeah.
Right. Do you want to get past? I don't know. Right.
One more. Last one. The big one.
I need to get past.
Okay. Ah. That was so nice. See the turtles are here. Takot lang ako baka makagat ako. Alam mo na. Ang dami nila oh. Ganda, di ba? Yeah, bye-bye. So, dito na side meron din mga turtle. Pero mas maganda doon sa isa. Kasi mas mababaw yung tubig. Dito parang napakarumi masyado. Ayan. Tapos meron pa daw small turtle na papakita sa akin. Ito yung lugar nila.
Kuna Matata.
Kuna Matata.
And it's really nice when you come in the morning.
In the morning? Yeah, because we just left Paget today. That's why.
And those lagoon is natural. Water from ocean is comes and goes.
Coming
by the
here?
tide of the
Ah,
ocean.
okay.
So sometimes
Yeah.
high tide,
Just-
sometimes low tide.
Watch this. We'll just watch the small one.
Namuonesha ka sa lugar doon na rin sa data.
Ito yung mga bao. This one is like dead before. Ah. So, ito yung mga anak. These are the kids. Small one.
If you wait 4 months
Okay.
and then they live 120 years.
But where they where are they laying eggs?
Yeah, they do lay their eggs like to the beach.
To the beach.
Yeah, so they do lay their eggs to the beach.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then
So-
they come out when their mother.
Yeah. So they so meaning that you take them to the beach.
Yeah, we do take them to the beach.
Okay.
They were not born here, they were born like to the beach. So when their mother lay their eggs to the beach,
Okay.
cover their eggs with the sun and
Sun,
they
then it
disappear.
will,
So
yeah.
they don't come back, look after them.
Yeah,
So
okay.
after like 2 months,
2 months and then it
they
will
get
hatch.
Yeah, and then they go direct to the ocean
Ah,
where they
okay.
get eaten a lot with some of the sea birds,
Okay.
some other fish in the ocean.
Okay.
So when we see them, we catch some of them and they bring them here, take
Mm-hmm.
care of them. After 7 months or 1 year, we do take them back to their nature.
To the ocean.
Yeah, where
Ah,
they
okay.
live.
Okay. But you just kept something here also
Yeah.
for the tourists.
And we do have another one here, there, but
Mm-hmm.
it's the same.
This one is different.
And when they are small, when they're youngest like this, we do
Mm-hmm.
feed them with a small dead fish like sardine. They
Okay.
don't eat the seaweed when they're youngest.
Mm. This one is not floating properly. It's like
Yeah, they're
He's
just
sick.
chilling like.
He's not
See
sick?
that one? Yeah, she's fine. Just chilling. Yeah.
okay. So this one here is also
Maybe the
there are
fish-
fishes.
Fish. Would you like feed them maybe?
These are fishes here. Big one. There's a lot of turtle. So there's only one type of turtle here. Like all of them are all red.
I mean, in whole of the world, we do have like 7 type of the sea turtle, but inside here we only have this one. It's called the green turtle.
The green, but why it's red?
It's not. They're not called the green turtle. Not because of the color of their shell. It's because they like the green grass.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And these fishes, what are these fishes?
so imagine like you come like with the green claws and swim with them. They may bite you.
They may bite, yeah. I have actually seen it because someone wears green, then he was bitten. Okay. What are these fishes?
It's green mullet and the milkfish.
Milkfish. Okay.
You know them?
Yeah. So sometimes you also get and then you cook?
Yeah.
Okay. Because milkfish you can eat that. They're here. Oh. This is the national fish of Philippines. Milkfish, bangus. We call it bangus.
Bangus.
Bangus, yeah.
Philippines. Bangus.
This milkfish. This is delicious. Nice, very nice. So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo sa beach. So, daming tao dito ngayon. Ayan. So, mayroon silang kayak pero kuha naman ng kayak ngayon. Hindi man maganda magkayak kasi the kayak is not good because it's so much wind. There's too much wind. These are Maasai people.
Nakuletea na maua pale eh. Nakuletea na maua kabisa pale.
So guys, hindi na kami tumuloy kasi masyadong maalon para sa kayak. So ayoko na lang din magkayak. Nakakatakot. So yung driver ko kasama ko ngayon. So yan. So dito naman mga souvenir shops. Dami. For sure mas mahal dito. Kasi nasa tourist spot siya. Mas mahal. Rastafari. Ayan. So instead, pupunta lang kami sa Kendwa na lang. Kasi mas maganda doon ang ambience kasi dito kasi napaka-crowded dito masyado. Daming tao dito sa Nungbi. Punta na kami doon. Ayun. Okay. See ya. So, guys, we are now in Kendwa. Kasi nga hindi kami pumunta na ng doon sa may boat sunset kasi maalon din. So, dito na kami magpapalipas ng hapon. So, ayan, habang dadaanan namin may mga ganito. Gaganda ng mga quality ng kuan nila. Yan, mga paintings. Same din sa ibang lugar, ganun din. Kami nagbebenta ng mga kasi dito tourism talaga yung kuan nila dito. Yan. Si Mission. Charing. Ganda na mga kuan nila. Mga graffiti pa sila. Hello. Hi. Daming mga tinda nilang mga souvenir shops. Yan, kakaiba. So medyo may kamahalan dito for sure kasi so call me maybe. May kamahalan dito syempre kasi ayan, Maasai. Ayan, Maasai. Kamahalan dito kasi nasa beach. Water sports, meron silang mga ganap dito. So, ayan. Lalaro ng billiards ang mga Maasai. Lalaro sila ng billiards sa paggawaan nila. May paint. Wow. This is the Kendo beach. It's just so big. Oh, there's a volleyball. So ayan ang lugar. Napakainit. Buti at nag-sunblock ako ulit. Ang init. Grabe. Diba? Ayan. Merong Maasai tribe sa Masayaw. Tagal naman makarating. Maasai tribe. Meron palang nag-honeymoon dito. Ito yung drama nila, the background. So ito sila nag-honeymoon. Diba ang ganda? Pa-heart pa. Yan sila. So, new generation. So guys, the sun finally set. So ayan, nakita nyo sa likod. Tapos na, sunset na. So tapos na kami kumain and all. Tapos may mga Maasai tribe pa kanina. So yan, yan ang mga tao. So baka may party-party dito mamayang gabi. So ayan, ang laki ng shore nila. Puro white sand. And we're heading to Stone Town now. So time check ngayon is around mag-alas 7 na ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa rin. Diba? So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa trip namin today kahit maiksi lang. And again, I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Travel with Jason saying, travel while you can because life has no rewind. Thank you guys! So may masaya pa na dumaan. Bye!